Introduce our viewers very quickly to our panel again. Pulela Gopichand is with us, Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, Gagan Narang and Samresh Jung with me in the studio. Also is headlines today's cricket expert, CWG expert, NACE commentator Charu Sharma. Milton Nkosi is also with us, BBC Bureau Chief. And joining us now is Sanjay Kaul, one of the most strident critics of what Kalmadi and company were up to. Do you believe, Sanjay, that Kalmadi and company will be fixed? Do you believe that because nobody in India ever goes to jail for corruption, Kalmadi and company might be indicted, but they'll find some way of staying away from jail?
Most likely, and I was just listening to the breaking news that you were sharing with us about this new committee that's come on in. This, because that's a sensible way to proceed. It's not about a flat success or a flat failure. There have been areas where we failed miserably. We made we cut out a very sorry figure internationally in the preparation towards the game. Somebody just mentioned that you had 6 years to fix this. You had about and you did nothing about it. I believe it's conspiratorial in the sense that you tend to normally and naturally avoid doing anything in the beginning years so that you can push through a lot of stuff unasked towards the end. Now, I made that comment earlier, and I think my party also maintains that position. The point is, you have to understand that the games are the games, and a sports minister, a sports ministry, the organizing committee, the Commonwealth Association organizing committee, their mandate is cut out. The games have to be held, they have to be held well. I've also maintained that the games historically are never a failure because of a principle called the convergence of interest. Everybody wants it to succeed. Okay. The athletes, the countries, the people who win the medals, etc., etc., etc. So that's really never going to be a failure. The failure was in the way we managed this whole show. The failure was in the way we came across. The failure was in the buffoonery that we saw constantly with third-rate spokespersonship, with one-upmanship, which continues even today. And I passed through Sheila Dikshit's house today, and I was appalled to see a board decorated in flowers which said "Thank you," trying very hard to appropriate the entire, success of the games to her. Okay. And I thought that was a pathetic act, frankly.
Okay, before I end this show and this debate, I want India doesn't become a sporting superpower in the next 20-30 years, but if sports can take off and if more parents encourage their children, because they saw Gagan Narang take those 4 gold medals, because they saw Saina Nehwal, because they saw Samresh Jung, achieve all these wonderful accomplishments, that I think would be the single biggest achievement of these games. For the moment, Pulela Gopichand, Gagan Narang, Samresh Jung, Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, for all the joy you've given to 1.2 billion Indians, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure and such a joy having you all in the studio with us. Thanks also to Milton Nkosi, BBC Bureau Chief, for joining us. Thanks also to Sanjay Kaul and Charu Sharma for being with us all the way through the games. And thanks to Karthike and for Javed Ansari, whose work has begun. As the investigators get down to their task, we will continue tracking these investigations because the corrupt and the guilty cannot be allowed to get away. On that note, thank you very much for tuning in. Have a great weekend. Thank you very much.
Center Stage brought.
This is the TV Today Network, and you are watching Headlines Today.